Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jasmine Jassy. How to grow a Monstera plant in water, easy water propagation tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to grow a Monstera plant in water. This is one of the easiest way to propagate a Monstera plant and it's perfect for beginner. First, I selected a healthy Monstera stem cutting with at least one node. The node is the part of the stem where new roots will grow. Without a new, the cutting will not develop roots. Okay, let's go for cutting this way. Cut the stem this way. Look like this. Oh, cut it down. Yes, look like this. You can cut the node area from node at least one node. Okay, then next, this stem is a waste. You can drop it out. Look like this. This stem is the waste. No need of this stem. Part of this stem, you can waste it. Next, I place the stem in a clean glass of fresh water. Making sure the node was next I place this stem in a clean glass of fresh water, making sure the node was completely under the water while keeping the leaves above the water level. Then I place the glass in a bright spot with indirect sunlight. I also change the water every few days to keep it fresh and prevent bacteria from growing. After keep in a shady area, keep in a shady area. After about 7 days, I noticed the first sign of new root growth. It was exciting to see tiny white roots starting to appear from the node. As the day passed, the roots continued to grow longer and strong. When the roots become a few inches long, you can either continue growing the monstera in water or transplant it into the pot with well draining soil. Water propagation is simply beautiful and great way to multiply your monstera plant at home. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next gardening video.